The massive leak of OnePlus 9 is here. The end of year is about to happen, but the end of leaks is not happening in any way. We have seen a lot of smartphone leaks in this month of December, including S21 series, real-life photos, hands-on photos, official trailers of all of this S21 series, and then Xiaomi Mi 11 hands-on look. And now the final leak of 2020 is here. OnePlus 9 5G just got leaked and it was shared by a very popular website out there named as Phone Arena, who shared the live hands-on look and some internal specs of OnePlus 9 5G. Hats off to the source who shared this. The design of OnePlus 9 5G is not that much changed from front side. Looking at it, you can see that the selfie camera is at the same position as we saw it in OnePlus 8 series. The bezels are same as well. This is a 6.55 inches full HD plus display with 120Hz refresh rate, as these screenshots say these things themselves. But the design from rear is totally new, it's totally changed. OnePlus has changed the camera module position and the design as well. Up until now we have seen the cameras on the rear side of recent OnePlus phones on the center of back side, but now in OnePlus 9 series they are at the left side. This is a rounded corners rectangular shaped camera module with triple camera setup and a LED flashlight. There is also some text printed on camera module and it says ultra short. No matter what's written for attraction, the quality can always be seen by testing out the cameras. Now talking about some more specs, then you can see that the front camera of OnePlus 9 is of 48 megapixel, but here it is mentioned as 4 megapixel because it is pixel bind. And at the rear side there are two main big lenses. One of them is 12 megapixel primary sensor and nothing is mentioned for the rest of two, but we can say there will be a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. There is EIS in both rear and front cameras but no OIS. OnePlus must have gone for optical image stabilization in both of the cameras. If not in both sides, then at least at the rear cameras they must have given the option for optical image stabilization, because electrical is now of almost no use. OnePlus 9 5G is going to have the latest Qualcomm chipset, the Snapdragon 888 5G chipset. There will be 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage according to these screenshots. Phone will be running on Oxygen OS 11 powered by Android 11. Some more leaked pictures which showcases all sides and ports of phone. No audio jack obviously, same positions for physical keys. That's all for OnePlus 9 5G hands-on look and specs. Phone looks cool but not in this silver color. Do let me know what do you think about this design of OnePlus 9 and I'll see you in the next one.